guys, I'm Carrie, and I am going to show you how to create this amazing set for your Tomorrows and Beyond VBS at your church. These murals are so amazing, and Cokesbury makes it super easy to create a spacecraft right on the stage of your church. This is the main one. It says Tomorrows and Beyond. But this year, they're also offering the expansion pack, which is 2 more that just completes the scene. As if these murals weren't cool enough, check this out. This is my favorite part. They're just a big sticker. You just put them onto whatever surface you want. This is insulation board. You can put it on foam board, cardboard, whatever works for you. To add height to our stage, we created a simple wooden frame and covered it with black tarp. We are using this awesome holographic paper from Cokesbury. My friend Naomi is helping me out.
I'm cutting out this cardboard disc and putting this paper circle right on top of it. When I'm done, I will stick this tape right onto the back and put it right onto the tarp.
That looks awesome. We cut these in different sizes, and the effect of this paper against the light is super cool. To fill in the space between the murals, we made this, and it looks complicated, but it's actually really easy. All we did was take a carpet tube, which you can find anywhere, and then a black gutter. We painted it green, and then at the top we put a paper lantern and used a hula hoop and some lights. We made these shelves just using cardboard covered in holographic paper. We spaced them out using extra cardboard and then just covered up this space with silver duct tape. Super easy and super cool. One of the biggest wow factors on our set are these blinking lights, and I've got great news. They are so easy. They're just PVC pipe and blinking tape lights. Inexpensive and easy to find. We had to have a space for EP320, our puppet this year. This is the space we created, and if you want to have this shape too, there's a free template on our website. But you can create whatever space you want. You could use a refrigerator box, anything you want. The key is that you want to cover it with this holographic paper because the light looks so great against it. Now let's talk about our fuel cells. There are instructions on our website, but let's talk about how easy this is. It's just a plastic tube filled with fairy lights. To add some shimmer and shine to our set, we use this silver foil curtain, which you can order from Cokesbury. We covered the stage with black tarp. It protects the carpet and gives the floor just this awesome galaxy feel. And on the steps, we used some more of that LED tape light. Let me show you what Sophia and John are doing. To make the kids feel more part of the spacecraft, we've extended the stage out to where they'll be sitting.
What we did is we had one of our adult leaders cut straight through one side of the pool noodle.
And then they cut a channel straight down the other side. Then we got one of these light up jump ropes. So then you put the jump rope into the channel.
And now your kids are part of the spacecraft too.
Great job, guys. Keep it up. Doesn't this look like fun? That's our spacecraft set, but there's still more to see. Let's go to Jennifer now, who's going to show us how to decorate the lobby.
Thanks, Carrie. We're here in the lobby and we have so many amazing things to show you. And what better place to start than right here at our registration and welcome table. We have our official Tomorrows and Beyond tablecloth. Cokesbury has provided us with some awesome table toppers, and you can use them on your welcome center or anywhere in your church. We have these wonderful fiber optic galaxy lights. We also have these wonderful decorating luminaries. And it wouldn't be Cokesbury VBS without our theme banner and stand, where our children each day will learn that we are going to go beyond with faith, boldness, kindness, thankfulness, and hope. And each child, and maybe even some leaders, get their very own jetpack drawstring bag. What would a fun welcome center be without a selfie station? And behind us, we have used Cokesbury's Galaxy wall coverings. And also this year, we are offering the string pennants. And to add a little extra, we made these stars with construction paper and fishing line, and you can too. And speaking of stars, the real star is EP320. It's so cute that the kids will want to take a picture with this cardboard stand-up. Check these out. The Power Launcher Decorating Mobiles. And we also have this photo booth backdrop. And look who it is. It's Captain Two Beyond.
Come take a picture with us.
Sure. We'll see you at To Mars and Beyond. Everybody say VBS.
VBS.